Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make spam meat teriyaki rice bowl. I finally decided to clean my kitchen pantry after a long while. Because of this quarantine, I had nothing to do. I finally got an energy to clean it. Then I found a spam meat. I don't know if you like it or not. Actually, personally, I don't really like it, but when I cook it into teriyaki flavor, somehow it tastes really good and I can eat it and I crave for it once in a great while. So if you wonder how it tastes, please try this out. It's really appetizing and goes perfect with white rice, and it makes the vegetables really tasty cooked together. If you have spam, if you like teriyaki flavor, please give it a try. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Remove the stem of shimeji mushrooms, then break into bite-sized pieces. Dice spam meat. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Cook diced spam until nicely browned. Add shimeji and cook until coated with oil. Now add teriyaki sauce seasonings. Cook on high until shimeji mushrooms are tender. I'm using wasabi leaves, which has little spicy flavor. Place spam teriyaki. Garnish with boiled eggs, and now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.すごいできたじゃん。下に押すんだギュって押さないといけないんだ。